Long ago, I had a brother.
Oogwe had a brother?
In arms. In arms, sorry. He says brother in arms.
Maybe you just unroll it all at once?
I was an ambitious young
Warrior leading a great army. And fighting by my side was Kaye, my closest friend. One day, we were ambushed. I was badly wounded. My friend carried me for days, looking for help, until we came to a secret village high in the mountains, an ancient place of healing, a village of pandas.
Pandas?
Yes, pandas. Pandas who use the power of chi to heal me. They taught me how to give chi. But Kaye wanted the power all to himself. He saw that what could be given could also be taken. I had to stop him. Our battle shook the earth, until, finally, I banished Kaye to the spirit realm. Should he ever return to the mortal realm, he can only be stopped
By a true master of chi.